Okay, I'm taking my kids to Universal for a quick day trip. And I am going to dive in on the things we're going to look at and explore and see as we spend the day there. Okay, my kids have never been to Universal, and I got to get them there because the girls are totally in love with Harry Potter, so they need to see that castle, right? So I have a list of things that you can get excited about when it comes to Universal, because Universal has so much to offer and so many great things. I've been there alone as an adult, but I have yet to take my kids. So a lot of people think that Universal is too much for little ones. So my kids are 4, 9, and 11. My 9-year-old does not do rides. She has a sensitivity thing, and if she is surprised, she gets more fearful than she gets excited. So we're going to take it easy with her on rides, but she still loves the idea of theme parks and the characters and going, and even the slow rides she enjoys. So she just likes to be out. My oldest, she is a up and coming ride enthusiast. She is a little shy, but she'll dip her toe in. So she's excited to ride Hagrid's motorbike. She's excited to ride all the Harry Potter rides. The Hulk, the Riptide, those are going to be a little too big for her. She does get intimidated by the size of roller coasters. So that's it. My son is going to be Seuss Landing all the way. That's going to be where he likes and enjoys. However, he does not like the Despicable Me movies, but he loves the Minions. So I don't know that he'll enjoy the Minion ride, but he'll enjoy meeting the Minions and meeting Shrek and meeting all those characters, because those are options when you do go to Universal. So the thing about Universal is they immerse you in the movie. So when you're on the ride, I mean, the idea is that you're fully immersed in the movie, and it is exciting and thrilling. So that's their, very, very high energy thrill rides is some of their rides there. So you have like the Diagon Alley is super immersive and interactive as a Harry Potter world. Hogsmeade is a little on the calmer side, but that's where you'll find Hagrid's motorbike roller coaster. And then you have the Hogwarts Express train. So that's great. And Hogwarts Express train, note that you need to have a park-to-park pass in order to ride that, because that does go between Islands of Adventure and Universal Studios, okay? So Incredible Hulk, Riptide, the Popeye and Pluto's barge, that is a round raft, and there's seats all around it, and it's a whitewater raft idea. So that is what the Popeyes and Pluto's bilge raft is. And it's not super aggressive, but you just gotta, with your little one. So my 4-year-old would not have it. Now my daughters at 4 years old would ride it in a heartbeat, but my son at 4, no, he is definitely not a roller coaster and high ride kind of guy. Like I said, you can meet the Minions. My kids are so excited for the Minions. We're going during the Rock the Universe concert. So I don't know if you've heard of Rock the Universe, but it is a Christian music festival for that entire weekend. We are going for Saturday. So we had an open opportunity between school being off and my husband already being in Florida, where I can take them and get down there for a quick weekend. And that's what I'm going to do. So we're only going to put one day at the parks, but that's okay, because we're not really we like to take some time. We're also going to go to the beach at New Smyrna Beach, and, we're going to do other things while we're there. But we are going to Universal. It is going to be great. You can also see Marvel. You can see Spider-Man there, which is really exciting, because you can't see Spider-Man at Disney World, but you can catch him at Universal. The dining there is so good. City Walk has amazing restaurants. Their snacks are great and exciting. So Universal has great food to try, and I'll be hitting on that when we come back on the things that my kids liked and what we got to enjoy. We are donut people. So every time we go on a trip, my kids know we get donuts for the kids every morning when we are headed out on a road trip on a vacation. So there's Voodoo Donuts there, and my kids are going to absolutely explode from the excitement of Voodoo Donuts. They have the app. Universal has the app. You want to make sure that you always download it. It lets you know ride wait times. You mobile order. So the app is really important. We are staying at Lowe's Royal Pacific. It is one of their premier hotels. When you stay at a premier hotel at Universal, your Express Pass is complimentary. So we're really looking forward to that. We're looking forward to Lowe's Royal Pacific because it's a beautiful resort. And we're looking forward to having the Express Pass. And the concert is going to be amazing. I hope you guys come back to see my next video on all of the things we got to experience in that very short 24 hours that we're going in there. But it is going to be so much fun. And we are going to have so much fun in such a crammed little small piece of time. And, you know, we come home and we will relax. All right. So I can't wait to share it with you. Watch. I'll be posting on my stories along the way as we're on our trip. And I hope you watch and enjoy and leave comments and tips and all kinds of things. I'd love to hear from you guys, okay? So make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and follow me for more as we travel with my kids and learn how to travel with kids and have great vacations and create wonderful family memories, okay? I'll talk to you soon.